Hello, in this video, I will show you how to insert Roman numbers in Excel. For this, you need to press is equal to and use the Roman function and open the bracket and select the cells and close the bracket and then hit enter. And here in the fill handle, drag it to the your desired length. Here you can see the Roman numbers are inserted. And if you want to use Roman sequence formula, so what you have need to do is equal to Roman, open the bracket, use the sequence, again open the bracket and hit. For example, you want to insert 20 Roman numbers. So I am writing here 20 and close the bracket and again close the bracket to complete the formula and hit the enter. And here you can see that the Roman sequence formula is inserted. For example, if you want to make it 40, here's just 40 and hit enter. And you can see that the 40 Roman numbers are inserted. So with this way you can easily insert Roman numbers in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.